Hello to all of our beautiful and lovely homeowners. So welcome once again to another episode of MF Home TV with me, Phoebe. What if I tell you guys that we can fully furnish a one-person bedroom with a budget of 20,000 pesos? Yung mga ganitong videos talaga, I'm very excited. Of course, we can! Kayang-kaya natin yan dito sa Mandaue Foam. So for today's video, we will be transforming and furnishing a laid-back, simple Korean-style bedroom. We're gonna start with this 6 square meter room. Our interior designer chose soft colors for the design and refined furniture for a feminine, cool feel. Syempre, we start by adding our mattress. This is our single mega with quilted poly mattress made with our standard mega foam. Very affordable lang to, guys. So for this room, we're gonna use an open wardrobe so it doesn't take a lot of visual space. Our Vereen wardrobe is the best for this design. It's in white, so bagay na bagay sa ating room. We actually have a lot of nightstands to choose from at our Mandaue Foam showrooms. Literally, it's so fine to hire the best nightstand. But for this particular setup, we think that the Riley design suits best. Instead of a lamp, we're using a pendant lamp so we don't have to sacrifice table space. Now that we're done with our vital, it's now time to move on to our finishing touches. But before we move on to that particular set of our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel and check us out on Facebook and Instagram to know more from us. Now moving on. This gray rug will be a beautiful contrast to the dominant warm tones of the room. By the way, at our Mandaue Foam stores, you can check out our beds in a bag. It's a comforter, sheets, pillowcase combo that comes in different designs. This one is our Eden printed one. As you can see, it has a light floral pattern. For the windows, we're going with our Juno taupe curtains on a single cafe rod in silver. And finally, we're finishing off with our decor. everything, that brings us to a grand total of 20,435 pesos! Pero Phoebes, wait lang, sabi mo kanina, we'll be spending the most 20,000 lang. Bakit nagiging 20,435 na lang? Chill lang. Because there's more. If you availed of our home card beforehand for only 900 pesos, that brings us to a grand total of 16,838.50 pesos! O, diba? Nakaka-happy kasi yung filing we're able to fully furnish your one-person bedroom, napakaganda pa with paying just way below 20,000 pesos. Wow! O diba? Napakaganda and it's so dreamy. My teenage self would want that. But of course, guys, if you want to recreate the bedroom design or if ever you've created the bedroom design, don't forget to take a lot of photos, post them on your personal social media pages, and please tag us also on Facebook and Instagram because we want to see and look at your masterpiece. But also, don't forget to subscribe and like on our YouTube channel. Till next time, homeowners. Bye. Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winners. This week's prize.